Hey guys, what's going? I hired a camera robot. He just needs more practice.
You need more practice skateboarding, you son of a bitch.
So I've just realized that I've been doing it wrong. I mean the pop. I've been popping wrong. I've watched some of my favorite skateboarders closely and they do something slightly different. I mean, it's just the smallest thing, but the smallest thing can have the biggest impact. I think it would be best explained at the skate spot. Whoa, it's a shame I can't surf. So, all this time, when I pop down with the ball of my foot momentarily touching the ground with the board and then raising up quickly. I have noticed that more experienced skaters actually snap their ankle midway. The ball of their foot does not come close to the ground. When receiving tips as a beginner skater, no one really talked about what a pop consisted of. I mean, we're always told to pop and then flick for a kickflip, pop and then slide your front foot for an ollie, but no one went into the specifics. But to be fair, I skate alone most of the time, so I may have missed out on all of these discussions. You see, I don't get much human interaction. The only interaction I get is when I bring inanimate objects to life. I will test this theory out with my pop shoves. Let's see what they currently look like. So I don't know if you could tell there, but with my pops, I would momentarily touch the ground. So what I need to do now is snap my ankle in, snap my ankle in. I truly believe this new method of popping will improve all my tricks. So let's see if I can get the pop shove with the new re-engineered pop. It's gonna take some time to get used to it. I actually felt that I caught the board level in the air. Pop shove the manual. Really need to slap the board to the floor. I don't know, was there a difference? Okay, let's keep going to see how high I can get and if I can level up in the air. I genuinely feel like my pop shoves are about 4 times better now. If you've ever seen me practice them before, I do not catch it in the air and it doesn't level up. It's always a rocket one and I land on it when the board is close to the ground. Trust me, go out and try this and let me know how you get along. Now let's see if I can get some good height on them. Ooh. It feels awkward at first, but just slap that board. Slap at the board, man. Slap at the board. I'm not really getting the height that I was hoping for. In my mind, I want to get it up to about there. I am really happy about those pop shoves. Pop shoves have been my #1 enemy in skateboarding for a long time. I prefer front shoves and I've moved on to other tricks. Now I can happily say that I'm starting to get good pop shoves. Yeah, if you have any other hidden tips, tricks, secrets, please share with everyone. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you when I see you, probably in a few days time.